What are you doing, Evelyn?
I made the skeleton.
You made the skeleton. Oh, wow. Evelyn is playing with a very interesting toy that I got for Eugene. It is called, I'm going to have to move all the skeletons in all the different languages. It is called the Body Magnet Toy. And it has magnets where you can make the skeleton.
I happen to grab the Chinese one.
That's Japanese, but yes, it has
Japanese.
magnets where you can make the skeleton, the flesh, the muscles, and the circulatory system and internal organs. Do they stick on top of each other? No, I don't think they do. I think you have to take the skeleton apart to stick the next layer on. But they come in 8 languages.
Hey, where's the second foot?
The only complaint I have about this is that they don't have like pronunciations for the languages. Anyway, I made a video of Eugene.
This one didn't get cut.
I made a video of Eugene playing this when he first got it.
There we go.
He wasn't really interested in it for too long because he could barely read English at the time. But this is really interesting. Everyone's interested in it. She had fun making the skeleton. Are you just going to like layer it on top?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess she's doing the muscles now. That's like the organs and circulatory system.
I meant to know.
Are you going to do that before the muscles?
Yeah.
Okay, she's doing the organs and circulatory system, but it's really interesting. It tells you all the scientific names for the different parts of the skeleton and the organs and the circulatory system and the body. And where's one that shows the muscles? Yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting. Isn't that interesting?
So that doesn't go there. What's the other?
And so I guess if you wanted to work for something like Doctors Without Borders and travel around the world being a doctor, or you want your child to grow up to do that, or that's what your child wants to grow up to do, this is the toy for your child, but this would also be a good present for a biology student in college.